Nakita niya talaga yung SB19. Ito, ay nakakatuwa, he is a Singaporean and actually the friend of Miss Babes.
Maganda din
And you know,
maganda
immediately,
yung mga boses
he
niya.
bought 10 bronze ticket. Ayan, nakakatuwa. And this, di ba nakaka-proud na ang ating mga kapwa Singaporeans are supporting us, di ba? So the 10 tickets of
Pamigay mo na lang yung free
SB19
ticket
will
sa
be
amin
drawn
kasi hindi
up
kami
this
mananalo.
coming, syempre papamigay namin ni Miss Mini yun. So 10 tickets of bronze tickets will be given away to all the winners this coming August 1. But those who will register, magre-register kayo, who will register this walk natin, di ba? From July 1 to end of the month. So July 1 to 31, you have the chance to win this tickets sponsored by one of the board member, which is a friend of Babe. Okay, so 10 tickets will be there, di ba? 10 ang mananalo ay papamigay kasi yun ang sinabi niya. Ipamigay daw namin, akala namin di na nagpapamigay.
Akin na yung isa ha.
Joke. So 10 tickets po. So register now, July 1 to 31. So magkano po ang registration ng Bayanihan Walk natin?
Yung Bayanihan Walk po natin kasi it's the 10th year, so special siya. Pwede po yung dagdagan ng i-donate. Pero, $30 lang po ang ticket. Pero 10 kayo, yung pang 11 libre. So 10 plus 1.
Yeah.
So pag nag-register kayo bago katapusan ng Hulyo, itong July, may chance kayo manalo isang bronze ticket for the SB19.
Yeah, but there are 10 tickets.
10. The 10 lucky